What is up, guys? Dr. Brandon Welch, also the founder of Pharmacy Athlete, and today's Performance Supplement Saturday. And today we're going to be talking about sodium bicarbonate and some of its endurance performance benefits. All right, guys, so what is sodium bicarb? So sodium bicarb is a performance supplement that serves as a blood buffer in the body to help neutralize the pH in our blood and lactic acid buildup during high intensity exercise. So we're going to pause for a second and go over the physiology of what goes on during high intensity exercise. So during high intensity exercise, our pH kind of takes a nosedive, causing this buildup of hydrogen ions that makes our blood very acidic, which causes lactic acid. Lactic acid then causes us to become fatigued and exhausted. So what sodium bicarb is doing is it's neutralizing this effect to increase time to exhaustion. So it's improving our pH and it's actually expanding our lactic acid threshold to allow us to train harder and for longer periods of time without resulting into fatigue. So research shows the proposed dose is typically 0.3 grams per kilograms of our body weight. And we want to also take this as a pre-workout supplement, because it's only good 60 minutes to 2 hours prior to our training bout, and it stays in our bloodstream for about 3 to 4 hours. Biggest side effect could unfortunately be stomach discomfort, because our body does have an innate bicarbonate buffering system that's found in our GI tract, which is near our stomach, and then also in the blood. Now let's get down to the research. Is there any research behind this? Yes, there is. So there is actually a meta-analysis that was done actually last year in 2021 that did show a relationship between sodium bicarb and athletic performance. What did it show? It showed an improvement in pH, but what it did not show was an improvement in VO2 max. So the whole theory behind it is since it is improving the pH, it's expanding that lactic threshold, which is increasing time to exhaustion. All right, guys, for more information, subscribe, pharmacyathlete.com. Any questions, go ahead and shoot me a message. Anyways, keep training like an athlete. Be well.